Most buy-sell indicators look great in hindsight and completely fail in real trading. But this one is different. It is the most powerful indicator I've ever seen on TradingView. Clean signals, no noise, and no guesswork. And the backtesting results say it all. Watch the video all the way through to discover the indicator name and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's break down this top-notch indicator from A to Z and uncover how to leverage it to the fullest. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator is designed to detect directional shifts and volatility changes using a non-traditional price memory approach. Unlike moving average systems, it builds a dynamic memory of price that adapts gradually over time, allowing it to detect significant deviations and trend transitions with reduced noise. The indicator supports both discretionary and system-driven trading styles. As you can see, the indicator has pretty basic components, a trend cloud and signals. So you might wonder why it is actually the greatest? Well, that's because it has one insane feature I'll reveal later, and it is built on a unique formula that's never been seen before. The key innovation lies in the indicator use of a decaying memory function to track trend direction. When price deviates significantly from a memory-based baseline, it triggers a trend regime shift, bullish or bearish. And these adaptive deviation bands are calculated using absolute deviation from the memory base, rather than ATR or standard deviation, allowing the indicator to capture volatility in a unique way. As a result, the indicator identifies trend changes with minimal lag and noise. Now, let's see where the indicator changes everything completely. It has an info table that gives us complete visibility into the current state of the trend. We're particularly interested in 3 points here. The first one is the band state, which indicates where the price is positioned relative to the bands. Hot indicates overbought, cool signals oversold, and calm represents neutral conditions. The second is stretch, which measures how far the price deviates from the memory base in X units. Higher values indicate a more overextended trend. Finally, we have reversion risk, which reflects the probability of a reversal. Extreme values indicate a high probability of reversal. Elevated values suggest a moderate risk, and neutral values signal indecision. And here's how we put all of this into practice. When the price closes above the lower purple band, the indicator displays a green label, meaning a buy signal. Before entering the trade, we should extra confirm it using the info table. In a bull case, we want the band state to be calm or hot, the stretch not to exceed 2 in the base case, and ideally to be around 1.5. The lower, the better. And we want reversion risk to be extreme, indicating a high probability of a reversal in our favor. We want at least 2 of these conditions to be met to confirm the trade. And boom, look at the massive uptrend we caught. On the flip side, when the price drops below the upper green band, the indicator prints a purple label. This serves as a direct short signal. Again, we want to see a calm or cool band state, the stretch not exceeding -2, and reversion risk marked as extreme. Any 2 of these conditions are sufficient for a trade entry. Voila! The greatest indicator is just as effective at spotting a downtrend. To apply this top-tier indicator, go to the indicator menu. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Search for price memory trend and add this exact one. Want to level up your trading? Meet quantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. At this point, the indicator is not ready for live trading. We need to put it through a 2-step process, optimizing the settings and pairing it with the right trading filter to unlock maximum performance. So, open the settings menu. We'll be adjusting only one parameter, but it can completely change how the indicator works. We're talking about memory strength, which determines how strongly the memory responds to price changes. Higher values make the memory base more reactive. For the 15-minute time frame, we slightly increase the value to 0.14. Now, let's move on to the next step. The confirmation we used is a state-of-the-art oscillator that blends fractal market structure analysis with adaptive volatility weighting and multi-derivative calculations to pinpoint high-probability trend reversals and continuation setups. It eliminates bad entries during consolidation through multi-layer confirmation based on acceleration analysis, statistical band context, and dynamic omega weighting. With that, to confirm a buy signal from the PMT indicator, the fractal flow area should be colored green. Meanwhile, to validate a short trade entry from the first indicator, the fractal flow area should have a red color. And there you have it. See how effectively it eliminates another round of false signals. To add this powerful filter, open the Indicators tab, type Dynamic Fractal Flow, and select it from the list. To make the settings optimal, change the fractal length to 6 and the waiting period to 52. Here are textbook examples of both long and short trades with stop orders placed below or above the latest swings, while targeting a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To assess the strategy performance, we will use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a game-changing tool that delivers backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in under a minute. Simply open the Builder's Settings menu, navigate to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that corresponds to the indicator's buy signals, and do the same for the bearish side. And now you have complete insight into your strategy. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the initial results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame using the optimized PMT indicator without applying table confirmation. So, we have a moderate win rate of 53%, though the net profit figure of 188% is not so bad. However, with such a massive max drawdown of 37%, we cannot go live. That said, open the Builder settings, where our filter is already integrated, and click here to enable it. Boom! We push the win rate to nearly 70%, cut max drawdown by more than half to 15%, and achieved a great 123% net profit from only 49 trades, significantly improving profit per trade. Keep in mind that using table confirmation can boost the win rate by at least 10% while improving all other metrics as well. Diving deeper, the strategy generated 7 consecutive wins versus 4 back-to-back losses. The equity curve looks exceptional, easily outperforming the traditional buy and hold strategy. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.